Dr. Pepper, the famous 23 flavor soda, has lots of spin-off products, such as Diet Dr. Pepper. That's not the topic today here though. No, we're not talking about Diet Dr. Pepper barbecue sauce. But what we are talking about is Hot Dr. Pepper. That's right, Hot Dr. Pepper was originally introduced in the 1960s as a winter beverage. Here are some advertisements from the 1960s showing about Hot Dr. Pepper. However, it was short-lived, but you still don't believe me? You think this is a joke? Just go to the Facts and Questions article on the Dr. Pepper website. Anyways, I'ma teach you how to make it. All you need is a Dr. Pepper, a can or bottle will be fine. And just proceed to open it, but don't blow it up like I did because, bad Dr. Pepper right there. Anyway, you want to heat up a pan or anything and just pour a little Dr. Pepper in there as much as you want. Alright, and as soon as we did that, we're going to take a lemon and a knife and make a small slice and put it in the glass that you are going to pour the hot Dr. Pepper in. When the Dr. Pepper starts sizzling or steaming up, that's it. Just take it off and pour it in your glass. And if you're using a glass made of glass like I am, pour it very slowly, like wait 5 seconds before each spill because when glass melts, it's glass. Yeah. Also, if you try this at home and your lemon makes a popping bubble, comment or like because thumbs up for that. Just some more footage of that popping lemon and yeah. Basically, this is Hot Dr. Pepper. It tastes just like Dr. Pepper, only it's hot. Kinda like tea, brings out the cherry flavor, a little carbonation, and I'll see you next time. Later.